Hello, this is Daniel from WeLaunch, and I'm going to show you how you can easily hide the prices, the Add to Cart button, and show an Enquiry functionality instead in your WooCommerce shop. This video is part of a tutorial series that we record for our plugins that we sell. And yeah, we are starting with a simple demo here of a WooCommerce shop where you can see 3 products. You see simple product, a variable product, and also a product with Enquiry cart, which we will explain later. And now we want to remove this price here. And we also want to remove the Add to Cart button that we see here on the single product page. Of course, that price should also be removed. And we now go into the backend. And we have already enabled our plugin. So the plugin is called Catalog Mode. You find it here under the WooCommerce menu, Catalog Mode, and the WooCommerce Catalog Mode version 1.8.1 is installed. And you only have one option here in the general settings, which is turning on the plugin. So we turn on the plugin, and you will directly see remove Add to Cart button, remove the price. That's very good. And you can click on Save Changes. When we now go back into the category, like you see before, the prices are gone. And if we open up a single product page, you can also see no prices, and also the Add to Cart button is gone. Of course, many of you now want to have, for example, an Enquiry button, send direct Enquiry, or also use the Enquiry cart functionality. And this is directly built into our plugin. So when we are here, we see Enquiry cart. We can enable that. We see product categories, so the listings that you saw before. We can also enable that. We can see a button text, send Enquiry, and have the button action, open the Enquiry form. We have the single product pages. So what happens on the single product pages? We also want to have a send direct Enquiry button. It should display before the meta information. And the form that we are going to use here is a contact form 7. You can use any other contact form plugin shortcode that you want, like for example WP forms or Gravity forms. Everything is supported. You just need to change this selector fields sometimes. If everything is okay, you click on Save Changes. And we can go back to our example product. And you see directly here the Send Direct Enquiry button that we configured in the settings. If we click that now, it opens up the contact form 7 with some contact details that you might need from your customer, but also pre-filled out the product name and also the SKU. You can click on Send. Of course, it will not send because some fields are required. But you can also do the same thing from the category listings. As you can see here, we have send Enquiry, send Enquiry, send Enquiry. So we have the same here with pre-selected values, and pre-selected values. The good thing is that we also have, as I showed before, Enquiry cart functionality. This allows you to put more items to your cart and send one Enquiry for all your products. But I need to enable the Add to Cart button for that again. So I will exclude the product that we showed before with Enquiry cart. Exclude that. I will open up the product, and you will see that we can have an Add to Enquiry basket button now here. So I put that product into my Enquiry basket. I can view the cart. And you will not have any checkout functionality anymore. You only will have the product that we just put in this Enquiry basket. And you can click on the Send Enquiry button. This is also the same form as we saw before with the Contact Form 7 plugin. But this time you will see Products text area. And this is showing the products that we just put into the cart basket. The functionalities are the same as on the single product page settings. So you will see here, for example, the text for Add to Inquiry Basket. You will see the Send Inquiry button, and you also see the form that we have used here. This is the whole functionality of our catalog mode plugin. It easily, as you see right now, under 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you can hide prices, hide add to cart, and simply use an inquiry functionality to replace them in a very fast way, a stable way, and also an update safe way. Of course, which I did not show yet, but variations are also supported. I can show you the last thing. If I open up the variable product, then you will see here the drop down as usual, and you can send a direct inquiry with a pre-selected value. For example, we choose black as a color. You will see here hoodie in black. Thank you very much for listening. If you like our plugin and if you like the video, then please buy it. Otherwise, of course, you can ask some questions in the comment section here at YouTube, or ask us via email or whatever. Thank you very much for listening, and stay safe.